Welcome to your channel, Light of Guidance.
We are faced today with a dangerous project presented under the title, The Weakened Islam. A book has been written under this title, which I hope the brothers will read. The book is called, The Weakened Islam by Jakob Down, and the ideas of concern are found specifically in Volume 7, which is one of several volumes, in the 4th edition. This book is available in the Library of Congress in the United States. This book is extremely dangerous, not merely an ideological work, but its ideas have been put into practice. The most dangerous points, especially in Volume 7, have been summarized. So what does this volume contain? I will now read selected passages from it. 1. If we destroy the beliefs of the Gulf people, we will destroy the beliefs of Muslims. The book calls for targeting the people of the Gulf first, as they are the most committed to Islamic teachings. 2. The book also states, the Arabian Peninsula is inhabited by many who prioritize religion above all else in their lives and worship God sincerely. This is why the Arabian Peninsula and Gulf countries must be targeted. 3. Furthermore, we must destroy women in their countries, that is, in Islamic countries. Women are to be targeted so that we can easily control their minds. 4. The book continues, the people of the Arabian Peninsula raise their children to love Islam and to be willing to sacrifice for it. In the view of the authors, this is dangerous, as the society raises children who are deeply attached to Islam and ready to sacrifice for it. This is seen by the enemies of Islam as a threatening phenomenon that must be eliminated. 5. They preserve all the pillars of Islam, memorize the Quran, and are willing to sacrifice for it, passing this on to each new generation. This continuity represents a powerful force among Muslims that must be broken, according to them. 6. We must begin attacking scholars, mosques, and Friday sermons so that the general public will turn away from them and abandon the mosques. Do you see how this works? The aim is to break the connection between the people and their scholars, and to discourage them from attending mosques, lectures, and sermons. 7. We must create a gap between parents and their children, so that the concept of honoring parents disappears. Instead, we should plant in them the love of self and individualism over family values. When one thinks only of oneself, he no longer cares about his father or mother. 8. We must support all fatwas that cause major disagreement and incite discord and division. While some fatwas are agreed upon by all scholars, others cause division, and such divisive opinions are promoted and spread via social media to sow conflict among Muslims. 9. We must disguise poison in honey, so that Muslims get used to everything being permissible. Regarding forbidden acts, they say, there are two opinions, one permits, one forbids, so that Muslims no longer feel any guilt when committing sins. 10. Encourage women to travel alone and normalize Western morals and behavior as being natural and correct, while portraying Islamic morals as strange and abnormal. They aim to alienate Muslims from their values and make them feel that their behavior is odd and out of place in the world. 11. Finally, the book says, technology is the weapon of our age. We must focus on supporting its negative uses that undermine the Muslim's character and behavior, while minimizing its positive uses. Note that all of this is found in just one volume. Imagine what is contained in the entire collection. This represents a dangerous theoretical project that has already been put into practice in real life. Thus, the Muslim community must remain vigilant and aware. Imam al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, said, hasten to teach your children our teachings before the Murji'ah, a deviant group, get to them. This means, protect them with the knowledge of Ahl al-Bayt, for the Murji'ah were a misguided sect. Today, we live in a time filled with ideologies, movements, philosophies, and sects, and the danger in our time is even greater and more severe. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, greater than, there will come a time upon the people when the one who is patient upon his religion will be like one holding onto a burning ember. Narrated by al-Tirmidhi, Hadith 2260, graded Hasan, good, by him, and authentic, Sahih, by al-Albani. Meaning, This hadith shows that in times of great trials and temptations, it will be extremely difficult to hold on to religious commitment. The one who remains steadfast will suffer and struggle, like someone holding a burning coal, yet he does not let go, and his reward is immense with Allah.